Welcome back. Dynamic leader of the BJP in Fatorda, Damu Naik celebrated his birthday. He said he will continue to work for the betterment of the society. Many well-wishers gave their greetings.
समाजाची सेवा जी चालू आसा ती पहिली भशेन ती चालू आसा ती अजूनही चालू आसा. लोक विश्वासान येतात, लोकांचो विश्वास खरो दवरपाक जाय आनी एक नांव दवरपाचें जें कितें आसा तें चालू आसा. आनी सकाळ पासून सांजचे पर्यंत डेली जे कोण आपले कसली अडचणी घेवन येतात ते अडचणी करपाचो प्रयत्न आसा. भारतीय जनता पार्टीचें सरकार आसा, लोकांक खूब अपेक्षा आसा आनी ह्या अपेक्षे प्रमाणे तांची कामां जावची, कायदेशीर प्रक्रियेन सगळें जावचें, सुटावे करपाचो प्रयत्न आसा तो हांव करतां.
Rado, the pioneering Swiss watchmaker, unveiled its exquisite collection at Time Collection in Panji. The new collection offers an exclusive selection of the brand's most celebrated products.
The range of beautiful diamond-studded watches was unveiled in style in the exuded unlimited spirit. The average price of a watch is 35 to 40,000 rupees.
Today we are launching Rado's special collection and the jewelry collection. It's a fantastic day for us because Rado has been one of the best brands for us. Excellent pricing and tremendous quality, I would say. It makes us very proud to be associated with a Swiss brand like Rado, because it has definitely been a joy selling this brand, because customers definitely come back saying that they're very happy with the brand.
And what is the range for this?
It starts from about 27,000. Average range is about 30 to 35,000.
Contributes around 30% of our sale. Okay. And it's actually a value for money, affordable luxury.
Devendra Gaonkar for Prudent.
Former Sri Lankan pacer Nuwan Zoysa has pledged to lift the Goan Cricket to the next level. Zoysa has taken charge of Goan Ranji Cricket team and is confident that the youngsters can deliver the goods in the near future. Here is an exclusive interview with Goa's most high-profile cricket coach till date.
A couple of days to go for the festive season to begin in Goa, but Goa Cricket Association has got down to serious business as newly appointed coach Nuwan Zoysa, the former Sri Lankan pacer, has already taken charge of the Goa Ranji team, and he is here with us today. We were here in Goa a couple of times before, but that was obviously to assess things and take the stock of the situation before you ultimately signed on the dotted line. So how is it going for you now, as it's the start of the serious business now?
Compared to last time when I came here, you can't say much, but they have absolutely got something to the team, and that's been discipline. That's really important thing to compare the youngsters as well as the seniors. So we saw a lot of changes compared to those few months, and the cricketing wise also I saw some positives, which is really good because what I'm saying is we took a lot of youngsters for this Mandula tournament, which is I think really good, and boys played up to good mark, but we couldn't have stood up with the good Delhi team.
Has it been a conscious effort now that the GCA itself wants to push in, a new direction of thinking that reputation doesn't matter, and it is the younger lot that have to, come up and challenge the senior pros?
Very much. Reputation actually does matter, but once you cross the rope, you have to play and perform. That's why you all are here. If you don't perform, it's no good for anyone. So we have to take best level knowledge we are playing. So we give either youngster or senior who are playing good, we'll definitely put them.
During the camp there were 20 odd players there, and as you got around a week to watch them, do you think the younger lot are really good enough to replace some of the senior names that we have had in the Ranji over so many years?
Yeah, very much, because I have faith. Even my assistant has a good faith on them, because he's the one that's been looking after those guys. So he gave me a good report. I mean, they need to do a lot of fitness work. I know they're doing a lot of fitness work. Prior to the Ranji tournament, we got another 5-6 weeks, so which is quite good. Not about just skills, they need to stay strong. So these guys, they are in like one limit we have to push for another limit. So that is my job as well as my back staff, support staff job as well. So we are working hard.
You heard Nuwan Zoysa, the former Sri Lankan fast bowler and now the coach of Goa Ranji team. He has made plans, he has made pointers as to what needs to be done and looks quite confident about taking Goan cricket to the new level. With video journalist Dinesh Karpe, this is Neeraj Prabhu for Prudent from Panji.
With this, we conclude this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.